Hi everyone, in this video I explain the well-known sell-in-May effect with actual financial S&P 500 data in Excel. So here, as you can see, I have a table, the year from 1960 until the end of 2020. So we have here actually almost to the end of 2020. So we have approximately 60 years of data in this table, and we also have the S&P index data for each specific date here. As you can see, for example, here in between we have the weekend, then we have 5 trading days, and in between here another weekend. So now what we want to do, we want to show the sell-in May effect. So we want to show during the summer period the average daily return is lower than during the winter period. And for that we're just going to take out the year of the date and also the month for each date. And now with that we can get the day of the year and the day of the month with a COUNTIF formula to then aggregate the whole data and sort it by year and month. I explained how to get the days of the year and the days of the month in another video, so I don't go into detail. And here we calculate the daily return, which is just a simple return calculation between the day and the day before. And we have that for all the 60 years. And now I made a pivot table. You can do it here in Insert Pivot Table. As you can see, we have here on this axis each year between 1960 and 2020, and here we have the month in the year, and each value within the pivot table is the average daily return within that specific month. So for example, for the first month in the data, we have a return of minus 0.3896% in January 1960. And now when we want to show the average return for each specific month, so we have here January, and we take the mean out of all the means here, so we get 0.0553% as daily mean return for January. Okay, and these are the mean daily returns within each month. And here you don't really see a lot, but when you look at the graph, you see here for January, March, April, July, August, November, December, we have on average a high daily return on the S&P 500 or the SPX index. As you can see here, we have months, for example, February or June, August, which are really close to zero. And when you look at September, it was historically on average negative. And now the thing with sell-in May and go away effect just describes that the period from May to September is not that good as the rest of the year. And this is why a lot of people are not invested during the summer month, and then in October they start buying in again, and then they stay in from October until April, and then they sell again. This short video just shows you how you can empirically show the sell-in May and go away effect. I hope you got some value out of the video. If you liked it, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more content, and see you next time.